Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Gaming. Oh, this is perfect volume, no? This time we fixed the volume. In my phone we are playing now, no?
Yeah. So we are playing Granny and Grandpa both.
Because everybody knows boat escape. Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, no need of doing boat escape. Let us start. I wish we don't die so easily. Security key will always be with Grandpa, no?
Yeah.
So
If
we
we
should...
drop it down, he'll take it, huh?
No, he won't.
Hey bro, this is more scarier, bro. What if Granny, Grandpa, both the sides they come?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Amma, we know to play Granny, no?
Yeah, but
His
especially-
Grandpa, no? He'll see CCTV and he'll come.
CCTV, yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he won't come.
No.
Okay. Is that Grandpa?
Yeah.
This is the first time I've ever seen Grandpa in this game. Now
No,
only
please
I've seen.
don't be Granny. No, Granny, please. Hey, Granny. Hey, please, no.
Hey, Grandpa might be coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Dan, 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 dan.
Bro, she might be coming from this way.
No.
Hey, oh,
Oh, you
shit.
put the
No,
other.
no, no, no,
Oh, you
no,
put
no,
the-
no, no, no.
Hey. Escape.
My God. Bhai.
One side Grandpa, one side Granny. What to do?
Exactly what I told happened of, no?
It's so difficult.
At this, hey, if Grandpa beats us, it will directly go to day 2.
Oh. We'll hit very hardly.
Yeah.
We'll directly go up to day 3 then. Then we should never see Grandpa, no?
Now somehow we should go top and then we should do something.
Yeah.
We should open
So
two doors.
if it is impossible to play with Granny and Grandpa, then no need, no?
No.
Huh?
Yeah. She's feeding her. Okay. We can go top.
Yeah, you can see you.
I can totally see you, bro.
Helicopter manual. Okay.
We'll do boat escape.
Yeah.
Whatever escape comes in our mind, we'll do off.
Weapon key, padlock key. Mad fellow. Padlock key, why?
We need weapon key. Okay.
Hey, she's putting trap and she's coming.
She's coming here after putting trap.
Weapon key, please. Please.
Yes, stun gun. Okay, stun gun is enough for now.
Now we should kill Granny and Grandpa both.
Tata.
Hey, give the bullet now. Granny will come. Hey, Granny.
Oh, boat dead in the dead zone. Hey, bro, take the key. Take the key. Only chance to take the key, no?
Hey, Buddha. Give me the key.
He's like, I won't give go.
See, both are two.
Both are no. Rest in peace. Both together.
Dora and
Ayo.
lol.
Okay, come on. I wish that we could do it with camera, no, but there's no option for us. Please, weapon key. Yes.
Every time last time also we got here only.
Yes, bhai. Come on. Go to weapon area. Then correctly 2 ammo for 2 tatas. Ayo, 2 grandpas. One Anji, one Ajja. One together. It's written slender again. Go crouch now only.
Now we got shotgun. अब सबका खेल खत्म.
You should reload twice. That's the all the time you should not keep with 1 bullet, no? Every time you need 2 bullets for sure.
Yeah. Now stun gun.
Yeah.
And
Okay, we have 2 bullets over here. We got to know that. We know that now. Stun gun for this. Bro, why? Oh, stun gun is enough for now, you're saying?
I'm telling. Stun gun will put it down.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, we will kill the pet. That pet.
Okay, now only if we kill...
No.
No need. side.
Then again will come, no? Again will come.
Open that.
Boat key.
Boat key, okay. I think we should do boat escape, no?
Whatever we get, we should do. Should
Eh,
I?
Yeah, shoot, bro, shoot.
Oh, no, mat.
Nah.
Hey, again will
Bro,
get
what
the-
if you get something else good? Like helicopter key or gasoline?
Tape, okay.
Safe key. Safe key.
Something. Bro, what if next to safe only safe key is there?
Nah, it won't be.
What if it is like that? Okay.
Helicopter key. Okay.
Who's playing keyboard? I think they both woke up, no?
Now they woke up.
How much time is over in the thing? Why did you bring the gun up now?
Okay, crowbar is there. We made a lot of noise here.
Hey, take the shotgun.
No, don't do that. Don't play the music. Open the mic. Open the microwave,
Wait,
bro.
we'll take shotgun.
Oh, you mean it will be faster?
Yeah.
Bro, open the microwave.
We have bullets also. Too much.
Hey, bro, there's a person coming. I could see that.
Matapa.
Hey! Come. I hate your wife. You also come.
Hey,
And you
he's
also
coming.
die.
Hello.
You both in the same coffin.
Hello.
He's coming.
Buddha.
Hey, Buddha.
Ruko,
कैसे हो? Are dead in the same spot.
Lol.
Lol means lol.
We'll take 2 bullets.
On the
Two
spot
and
death.
Ha, yeah. Sure.
Now the pet.
Oh no, not the pet. We need the wrench. Then we should open the den only pet. No, that time only we would have taken it. Then it would have been bad.
Crowbar, we'll just check what is in crowbar.
Yeah. Oh, both opened at same time this time. Lucky. Okay, I can
What
predict this game is lucky, no?
Yes.
Very lucky. We got
Yes.
boat key. Then we got what? We did not get gasoline.
We got door handle.
Yeah, but the most things we got is duct tape and helicopter key. No?
And boat key.
That's the only thing we got two.
Cutting plate.
Cutting plate.
Last
Last video also here only it was, no?
Yeah, every time it is there.
No, for what is that?
What?
For what? Why did you cut
Door
that? I forgot.
handle escape.
Oh yeah. Now go to the ground floor and open those crowbars. Eh? You can jump out like that.
Yeah.
I never
that
knew
Granny?
that. They look like Granny, but it was a door. Lord.
Just a door.
Don't come up, Guru.
Hey, for sure Granny wouldn't have opened up so. Bro,
What?
ground floor.
I know.
Tu, 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 tu. Spark
Spark
plug.
plug.
Super. Is Granny coming down?
Please, no.
Bro, I think somebody's coming from the other side. Hey! Somebody just opened the door. Wait, what?
Glitch, bro.
A glitch. Bro, why did you make so much noise?
Hey, I just wanted to. No.
Grandpa and Granny both also.
Next time, if you don't want to make noise, no, crouch. Then throw it down.
Nothing so.
I think we should stick the piece of pictures for now, no? There's a picture on the picture. Oh, what? Oh my God.
She's there.
Hey, Dadi. Heart attack.
Nice heart attack I gave. Now you
No,
also
Grandpa.
come. Your turn.
Invitation for funeral for you both.
Now if Grandpa come, no. We'll go and revive Granny.
Really?
Sometimes he'll go. Oh, you.
You see?
No, he can't hear you, bro. Bro, he can't hear you.
He can see, he can like, it's nothing like he cannot hear only. Little he can hear.
Little only, no.
Yes.
He's coming now.
No. Should I go in search of him?
No, I think we can just leave him. Okay.
He's still or did not come?
Is he still dead?
Nah. He won't be dead, bro.
Reload. Bro, I think we should start sticking the piece of pictures. Open the clock.
Where is Grandpa?
I think he's behind you.
No. He cannot be behind me. What? Anyway.
Bro, Jordan, a new video game. Unboxers.
Jetpack.
Grandpa, come here. Go fast.
Hey!
Grandpa, come here. Go fast.
Okay, I'm the only one who's getting so scared.
Hey, we can do door escape.
How?
We have padlock key, we have crowbar.
We have door. We have door handle.
Door handle we don't have.
We have.
Yeah,
We
saw.
found it.
Where door handle?
Inside one this type of drawer.
Door handle okay. We need
Hand wheel we need.
we can do now door escape.
Easily, bhai. How much time is over after the recording started?
11 minutes.
Ayo, that's all. This is like the shortest video, no? If we could escape now, only.
We
We'll
didn't
run
die
and
also.
come there.
We didn't die also.
Yeah.
Now we should go and we should put the hand wheel. Padlock key I should take. Crowbar also we should take.
Padlock is inside that shelf.
Oh. Let's tip it.
Hey, Granny.
Come.
इधर आ भाई लड़की देखो ना. Hey, what if Grandpa stop? Yeah, Grandpa stop. Stunt fellow. Bro, what if both come together?
Nah. They won't, if they come, I'll shoot one fellow and I'll run. See, he's there.
Okay, you can just pick up the ammo and shoot the other one, no? Better wait.
Egg Granny!
Hey, where is the door handle?
Door handle is stop. Egg
Can Granny revive Grandpa?
No. Give me the gun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Granny is gone now for only 2 minutes.
Then what? She'll be gone for 1 hour.
No, I thought two and a half minutes.
Oh.
That is only with shotgun.
Yeah. Crowbar also we have down. We can do door escape.
Easily. For what do you need this now?
Nothing we do. We have all the items.
No, why do you need the hand wheel?
So that cage can open. Cage. Crowbar. Padlock key also we have. Tata.
And door handle also we have. Super, bye.
Hey. It just got. See, it is got open. Current is not there. Yeah. Now for this we need padlock key and door handle. That's
Where is the
it.
padlock key now?
Padlock key is top.
In the security. Then?
It's here only. Wait.
There, draw.
In this drawer. See.
Wow, everything you remember, it's so good. Hey bro, I have an idea.
Oh yeah.
In case your fishes lay eggs this year,
Yeah.
we can make a video on it, no?
Padlock key. Need padlock key over. Open.
Now door handle in security area. Done. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for treating us really well, Granny and Grandpa. I think it is here. No, I think we found weapon key over here, bro.
No.
Yeah, I think we found weapon key over here.
In
No,
the
we
drawer.
found. Yeah, see, last one
What
we
we
found.
need is door handle, bro.
No, we found weapon key over here.
Then where was door handle?
I know. Go
Where
down.
it is? Just tell
Go
me.
down.
Where is it? Just tell.
Go down. In that area. There. There, down. Not here.
I understand. Same place only, no?
Where?
Here only I saw no. Door handle.
Take the shotgun and go. Somewhere in one of those drawers we saw. Check,
okay, we can
check
search
the
it
bathroom areas.
Think so in this. Shining. Neat. Oh, hear sound. Catch it. She came. Yeah. Hey,
Granny
body
falling
shot.
down the stairs bumped his head. Hey, Granny's coming.
Grandpa, you're dead today.
Not today.
Now only.
Grandpa, where are you? Hey, Grandpa doesn't even care for his wife.
Hey, Grandpa.
Grandpa. It's Grandpa actually.
ओए पाजी किधर हो?
Baji.
Then what to tell? You won't come only. Where are you?
Open
Let
this
wait.
Bro, somewhere here it was there. No. Where is door handle?
Oh, I can see his stick.
Eh? He walks very slowly. I don't shoot like that and all. He wasn't even shooting, no?
Ah,
Oh my god.
door handle.
Hey, reload your shotgun. One bullet is there.
Where is door handle?
Yeah, Grandpa is
He's
also
coming with me also.
Dum.
Where is door handle, bro? Where did we keep the door handle? Huh? Do you remember?
No.
Think
I
so,
think
yeah.
it was one of these drawers, and that is duct tape area. Yeah, here only somewhere we found it.
Nah, not even here. Here, this is helicopter key. Where did we found it?
Here.
Tata.
Okay, tata.
Bye bye.
Like this only we'll do the outro also. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Ultimate Gaming.
Yes.
We are going out of the home and out of the video.
We'll bring Granny and Grandpa here.
Hey, no need, bro, please.
For safety.
Just
we'll
go.
hold- For safety, we'll hold a stand gun.
Hey, bro, just go out. They will only come off.
Okay, bye bye. I'm
Hey, they
taking a
both will
stun
be
gun.
searching, no?
I'm taking a stun gun and I'm running. Bye.
They both will be searching now.
Yeah.
We are actually running.
Yeah. Now you see those people. See Grandpa and Granny. Bye. What a hairstyle. Both suits you so much.
Look at his.